Google Pixel 5. Google's next so-called flagship phone is set to be officially showcased later this month. While we knew it was going to be this month, we didn't know exactly what date it was. But thanks to someone leaking a snapshot of an internal document from the German branch of Vodafone. The document shows the Pixel 5, Pixel 4a and Pixel 4a 5G release dates in that country. The listing on Vodafone Germany reveals that the Pixel 5 could launch on September 25th. If that's true, the general launch of Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G could be very soon and likely on the same date. When it comes to the design of the Pixel 5, it's going to be pretty much the same as the Pixel 4a, but it will of course be bigger and have hardware improvements. Now according to rumors, the screen will be 6.67-inch OLED display, which is considerably larger than Pixel 4 and 4a. We get the full screen display thanks to the punch hole or selfie camera in the top left. Also, Pixel 5 will get higher refresh rate of either 90 or 120Hz. The Google Pixel 5 recently appeared on Benchmark and the listing confirms that it is powered by Snapdragon 765G SoC. This is going to be coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Interestingly, this device will be the first Pixel phone to come with 8GB of RAM. Not just that, the presence of the Snapdragon 765G inside the device reveals that it will debut as the first 5G ready Pixel phone. If we move on to the back, you can see it has a square camera module in the top left corner, and unlike the Pixel 4a, the Google Pixel 5 is expected to feature either a dual or triple camera setup. Speaking about battery, with increased size of the phone, we get to see big battery as well. The Pixel 5 is coming with a 4000 mAh battery, so it's easily going to last a day, and it's also anticipated to support wireless charging, reverse wireless charging and 15W wired charging. As for price, the suggested price is €630, which is $745 approx. It is a bit too much considering a more powerful Pixel 4 costs lower. It does make the Pixel 4a 5G's €499, that is $590, look more practical if you are willing to accept some compromises in material, screen refresh rate and size. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 5? Do let me know via comments, and as always, catch you guys in the next one.